Hope you all are doing good today. Today what we are going to prepare is paneer butter masala. This is again very simple. You just need a few ingredients. What you need is again three medium-sized tomatoes, a little bit around 150 grams of small onion that I've taken. And if you do not have small onion, you can go ahead and take two medium-sized onions, normal onions, and then 200 gram paneer, a little bit of cashew, a small spoonful of kasuri methi. Then for the tadka, I have taken around two bay leaves, 1 inch of the cinnamon, and two cloves, and little butter I have taken, and again around one whole garlic, and a few inches of the ginger. These are the ingredients that we require. And apart from this, you will need salt, the chili powder, and a little bit of sugar, a half a spoon of sugar again, to mellow down the flavor, the sourness of the tomatoes that we are going to use today. These three ingredients we'll put it later. So first we'll get into the recipe and prepare a base for the masala with tomatoes, onions, and cashew, and the ginger garlic. So with this we'll prepare the base for the paneer butter masala. So let's get into the recipe. Alright friends, so let's get into the recipe. First we'll put a little butter. With that I'll just put in a little bit oil, because the butter tends to kind of burn. First we'll add the chili and the ginger, the garlic and the ginger. Let it saute a bit. This is again, we're just making the base ready. Now we'll add the small onion. Let it fry for a minute. You don't have to completely make it golden or something. Just you need to fry it to just remove the raw smell. So just fry it a bit. Fry it at least for a minute. Now at this stage we'll add the cashew. This will give a nice flavor to the gravy. Let it fry a bit. Now we'll add in the tomatoes. Let the tomatoes fry for at least 2 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and let it kind of cool down a bit, and then we'll go ahead and grind this complete masala so that you can form a base for the paneer butter masala. So at this stage we'll switch off the gas and let it cool down a bit, and then we'll grind the masala. Alright friends, so the masala is grinded now. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and prepare the tadka and finish this paneer butter masala. So in a pan again, I'll take a bit of oil. One 3 spoons of oil. To this I'll add a spoonful of butter. Now we'll add these spices. Now we'll add the masala. So now we'll add salt as per taste. And chili powder as per your taste. Mix it well and let it boil again for at least 5 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and add the paneer and we'll add a bit of sugar as well. So let it boil for some time. So friends, now this masala has been boiling for almost 5 minutes. So what we'll do is, we'll go ahead and add the paneer at this stage. So let it boil just for a minute. Now we'll add a bit of sugar. We normally use the brown sugar. So I'll put just a small spoonful and the kasuri methi. Mix it well. Kasuri methi again gives a nice aroma to the dish, almost like a restaurant kind of aroma and the taste as well. So don't forget to add the kasuri methi. And to finish, I'm just putting a little butter because I don't have cream. If you have cream, you can go ahead and put cream as well. So I'm just adding a bit of butter to finish the dish. Alright friends, so our paneer butter masala is ready. So you can serve it with kind of fulka, roti or naan. It really goes well with that. And if you like the recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs, and do share the recipe with your friends, and you yourself try it at home. And yes, please press the bell icon. Thank you again.